Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we are going to do an unboxing from Magic at Your Door. It's the gold box. Been looking for this one for a while. Let's check it out. It's a pizza! Look at the size of this box. Bowling ball? Golf clubs? Got dude on there. I can't even get it close enough. All ready for St. Patty's Day. This is the March box. She confirmed. March box. And, of course, bam. All right. I forgot to pre-cut. Super sharp knife. All right. It's all coming up right now. Now we're ready. All right. Hopefully I can open this one without hitting the microphone. Is it good? Whoa, it's huge. Oh. I'm gonna need more tables. This is a lot of confetti. All right. So, we already got the bronze box. I'll throw a picture of this right boop, there so you can check it out. Color codes, find your prices of all your products and figure out what your total value is, yada yada. And you can read the rest if you'd like to. If you'd like me to explain it, go back to the bronze box video and watch that. All right. But wait, there's more. I think he did this on purpose. He just wants me to clean this up. These were on the wish list. They have a wish list that you can go and, if you want to just, holy cow, select your own things that you want to get for sure. You can put those on there. And these... nice! I have these on there because I'm a huge Mickey fan. That is super cool. Thank you so much, Mike and 001. Love it. Just gotta learn how to cook. Bake. Gotta learn the terminology first. Cool characters from Disney parks. Holy cow, that's a lot of pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. All the top dogs. I will take a picture in the photo box and boop, throw it right there. $33 worth of pins. You already have it right there. Never mind. Very cool. I like them. All right. Legendary golden pouch. Wait for that. Oh. I love me, I don't know if you can tell, but I love me some Haunted Mansion. And now I've got the salt and pepper shakers. How cool is that? Perfect for any funeral dinner. Those were 20 bucks. I'll throw a picture up on the turntable, boop, so you can get a better look at them. Very nice. I like it. It's a good box. This was also something I put on the wish list. It's like the whole box of wish list. Mike's my personal shopper now. We've got cheese spreader set. Super cute. Trying to get our kitchen up. Oh my gosh, it's all behind me on the chair. That is very cool. I'll put a better picture with them out of the box up on the turntable so you can take a look at that. Very nice. And then there was one. Somebody is going to clean this place up. I think I know what this is. They had some Haunted Mansion prints that I also put on. You should take a look at the wish list. Let me throw a little so you can take a look at what I'm talking about. It's really cool. Holy cow. I'll show you the back first so I can see the front. Oh, that's so cool! Ready? Oh, jeez. Look at that! This will not fit in the photo box, but that is so cool. It's matted. It's even got the 50 years Haunted Mansion logo on it. That is really cool. And when you look up close, it's almost got a texture of like a photograph where it's got that kind of like almost grainy. It's really cool. Not grainy isn't a good word for it, but it's almost got like a little bit of a texture to it. That is amazing. Thank you very much, guys. This is super cool. When I saw my kids went and got this from the post office, and they're like, it's a really weird shaped box. I was hoping this was why. All right, so if you would like to get your own Magic at Your Door box, this is the gold one. We've done the bronze before. They have silver as well, so gold, $124.99 including shipping. That's free. Silver, $99.99 free shipping. Bronze is what we did the other day. That one is $74.99 including shipping. And then they have Touch of Magic, which is $49.99. You can use our promo code, which is DD10. So if you go in the description down below, you will see a link to click on to go to their site. And you can enter that and it will save you some money. And it will give us a little kickback too, which is pretty cool. So if you want your own box, do that. If you would like to take a look at last week's video, which was a video from Disneyland, that's right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, please click this button right here. Hope you are having a great day.
I'm gonna kick your...
Oh, man. That's 2 weeks in a row. One more thing real quick. I think I know what this is too. It is Magic at Your Door makes their own fantasy pins, and they're doing a collection for 2020. And last month's, February's, was not ready in time because of shipping problems, which are completely understandable. Actually, so this is February and this is March, and I will put a much better picture right here so you can take a look at those. I absolutely love their pins. They do not even count this as any of the value in the box. They just have these made and throw them in for you just as an extra bonus, which I think is amazing that they do that, and I love them. So we paid $124.99, and as you can see by this number right here, much more value than we paid, and remember that includes shipping. Now I'm done. Hope you're having a great day.